try some more of this zucchini? Was it yummy? Want another fingerful? Zucchini. Interesting, huh? Do you want to try some on a spoon? A spoon. Ooh, that was different, wasn't it? Oh, do you like it? Do you like your zucchini? Yum, 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 yummy. Say, that's yum, 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 yummy. Do you want more? Should we try some more? Yeah. Good job, baby girl. You're trying to push it out. You don't know what to do with that. You say, that's different, Mommy. That's really different, huh? Huh? Yes. Oh, look at you. Yeah, you're figuring out what to do with that tongue, aren't you? Want some more? Open. Good job. Good girl, Julie. You're doing great. Yes. Do you like it? Say, zucchini. Zucchini. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Want some more? Open your mouth. Good. Good job. Good job, Julie. You're doing so good, honey. You're doing a great job. Want the rest on the spoon? Oh, yeah, eating with the spoon is tricky, huh? You did a good job. Good girl. Yeah. A little bit more? Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yummy. Yum, 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 yummy. Yeah. Is that yummy, Julie? One more fingerful? Oops. You might open your mouth, silly. Okay. I think we're finished, huh? Did a good job. Good job, Jules. You want more? This is what you've been eating. This is what I've been in your mouth. Zucchini. Yes. Yes. Good job, baby girl. I think we'll finish up.